Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you a Mexican style pineapple salad. This is very simple to prepare at home. I've prepped up all the ingredients ahead of time. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. So here I'll be using 3 varieties of salad leaves. I've cleaned, washed and prepped and reserved rocket leaves, baby butterhead lettuce leaves and iceberg lettuce. So all the lettuce leaves are washed thoroughly and I patted dry and I've reserved. I'll be using fresh pineapple cubes, bell peppers, any colors you can use. I'm using 3 colors here since I had it. I'll be using spicy kashmiri chili and a Mexican spice mix. We need some salt and lime juice. So I'm going to heat a wok on medium flame. To the wok I'll be adding oil. You can use any oil, but I prefer to use peanut oil because it gives a good flavor, nutty flavor. Try using peanut oil if possible. If not, you can use regular sunflower oil. I've added all the veggies to the wok. Now I'll be adding the Mexican spice mix, the chili powder and salt. We just need to toss all this on very high flame just for 2 minutes, not more than that. We don't want to cook the pineapple too much. It just has to grill with the spices, that's it. So adjust the spice level according to your family's preference. We eat spicy food at home, so we prefer it slightly spicy. So it's depending from family to family how you want to adjust and add the spice. So all the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or if you click the icon above this video, it will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below this video. Now you can see the pineapple is ready. I'm going to remove from the flame. I will not add it directly on the salad leaves. Allow it to cool for some time, then add it. Now we'll prep the salad leaves. I've layered the salad leaves on a serving plate. I'm going to sprinkle some Mexican spice mix and I'm going to sprinkle some paprika powder, lime juice and salt. We just need to toss the salad leaves in this spice mix, and we will top the salad leaves with the grilled pineapple and serve it. This was very tasty, friends. It's a meal on its own. But if you want to pair it with some other dish, I prefer grilled chicken. So pair it with the grilled chicken and serve the salad. It is very nice and tasty. It turned out really good. Especially the pineapple with that Mexican spice mix was very nice. If you cannot find Mexican seasoning, you can use taco seasoning or fajita seasoning, which is easily available. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe, friends. Do try this recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, do like, comment and share. I'll keep posting more recipes in the upcoming days. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.